We've told you what wet blasting is, but have you ever wondered how it became a thing and who invented it? Well, I'm Ryan, and today we're going to be discussing a brief history of wet blasting and how it became what it is today. Our story begins in the 1950s when an inventor, Norman Ashworth, created the first wet blasting machine. During this time, the use of crystalline silica as a blast media had become prohibited because it caused silicosis. Silicosis is a lung disease that causes inflammation and nodules to form in the lungs. Ashworth discovered that adding a liquid to the sandblasting process vastly reduced dust emissions. Thus, wet blasting was born. After that, the technology spread throughout industries and across nations. The reason for its adoption is that it is truthfully a better process than sandblasting. With wet blasting, smoother surfaces and more consistent finishes are easily achievable, unlike sandblasting. Wet blasting can also clean better than sandblasting and help reduce the amount of residual abrasive left on parts. Today, wet blasting is one of the most prominent surface finishing technologies. For decades though, wet blasting was for industrial applications only. This made the technology expensive and somewhat secretive. That is, until vapor honing technologies came along and changed the game. Jonathan Wise, the founder of VHT, learned about wet blasting after doing hours of research trying to find an alternative to sandblasting. Once realizing that a single machine would cost him an outrageous amount of money, Jonathan decided to start building his own. This eventually led to a new venture in manufacturing wet blasting equipment and the company you know today. If you have any questions about wet blasting, please give us a call. Our number is 828-202-5563. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, check out our social media where we post other great content. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for our future video on the brief history of vapor honing technologies. Have a great day and peace.